Hey everyone, today we're exploring the Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin, perfect for your art and craft projects. This anti-yellowing resin keeps your creations looking fresh and vibrant over time, making it ideal for tabletops, jewelry casting, and DIY crafts. It's heat and UV resistant, so your work stays protected from damage and discoloration. The two-part resin kit mixes easily and is food safe, ensuring safety for a variety of uses. Plus, it's designed with low odor and non-toxic ingredients, making it friendly for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're working on tumblers, wood, or other creative projects, this epoxy resin delivers lasting, clear results. Get ready to bring your artistic vision to life with this reliable and easy-to-use resin. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.